Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so we're wrapping up July. You can see here on the daily chart, they tested daily midband yesterday, held it, bounced it, made a higher high. They're retesting the 9-day overnight. Let's just go straight to the hourly chart. So you can see, here's your weekly pivot, here's your 20-day, there was the test, back up and through the 9-day, over the pre-FOMC print price for a big ripper up into the close. That extended into after hours with Amazon and Google, Facebook, all the tech companies reporting. They pulled it back a decent amount, but what you can see from the pullback is that hourly midband has held a support. So as we get into the open today, I expect it to be pretty whippy, pretty choppy. They're going to fight over this area. And the bulls want to take out these highs if they can. Worst case, hold serve in here until Sunday, Monday. The bears want to convert hourly mid, convert the 9, convert the pre-FOMC print price, get back below 40, below 39, and at least have some kind of a thought of closing it in and around this 9-day. And then we'll get into Sunday, Monday of next week. I'm always a little leery a couple days after the Fed, after big earnings, after a big move down and a big move up into a Friday, if they're just going to want to kind of take the day off and hang out. Volatility's there. I mean, you got gold trading $2,000 an ounce on the futures. So you've got enough volatility to, keep things interesting to say the least. So you've got volume weighted average price 58.5, proprietary moving average is 56 and change, 5-minute mids 57.5, and you can see the hourly mid there coming in 54. So 54 to 58 off the open. That's what they can fight over. Above that, bulls want to seek out those Globex highs. Bears want to take out this low if they can, down at 35 quarter. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.